Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the Oraimo Nova Smartwatch, an AMOLED smartwatch that promises a premium experience at an accessible price point. Let's take a look at everything that comes inside the box. The packaging itself is clean and minimal. Immediately as you take off the top cover, the first thing you are greeted with is what appears to be a black inner cover sitting directly over the contents, possibly housing the user manual. It wasn't open here, but it's worth noting. And there's an inscription on it that reads, "Discover endless possibilities and keep exploring." A fitting tagline. Now let's get into it. Beneath all that, you get the Oraimo Nova Smartwatch itself. And my first impression, the build quality immediately stands out with a sleek, solid finish, and in the box, there's an alternative silicone rubber strap. The watch comes fitted with a metallic strap by default, so if you prefer something lighter for everyday wear, the silicone option is right here, included out of the box. This is a thoughtful addition for those who prefer a more lightweight feel, like myself. And finally, you get a USB charging cable, purpose built for the Nova. And that's everything in the box. The Oraimo Nova Smartwatch, an alternative silicone strap, and a USB charging cable. A full review is coming soon after we've put the watch through its paces over the next few days. Do well to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss that video when it comes out. Thank you for watching. I'd like to see you in the next video. Bye bye.